I am Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie. And we're Love Hut for Life. For 176 weeks, we've been touring around in our truck house camper.
That's right, guys. And a lot of that time is spent building other people's homes on wheels for them to help fund our awesome adventures. So, guys, this is week 3 on this awesome bus behind us, and we cannot wait to hear what you think in the comments below.
Good morning, y'all. For the past 2 weeks, we've been hanging out here working on this big, beautiful bus. I've gotten a lot done, and this week we're really going to be tying some things together so it should start taking shape. Since I've gotten here, I've put an elastomeric roof treating on, tropical to be exact. I've attached hardware up top so that I can soon attach solar panels. I've installed this water heater. I've removed the side skirts, preparing for tanks to be installed underneath. This front half was built when I got here. So I've been building out this bathroom, which is going to house a toilet, as well as a hand sink and this awesome shower. And then behind that, we've got a really cool bedroom. It is windows all the way around, which is awesome to wake up to and an awesome place. Underneath this bed, we're going to be doing all of our electrical components, as well as I'm building a containment for the freshwater tank that's going to be stored underneath the bed too. Y'all hang on, this week's going to be fun.
Can't go back to Texas.
I've spent most of my day sitting in front of a giant pile of rocks and crystals and copper wire, seeing what I can do with it. This isn't quite done, but it's getting somewhere. It will be much cooler by the end of the week. And so will this bus. Shane's been making a whole lot of noise over here all day long, and I cannot wait to see what all he's gotten accomplished. Dixie, come on.
Hello.
Hi, baby. How's it going in here?
Good.
It's very, very white.
I know,
And
right?
pretty.
So I boxed in the sliding couch mechanism, so you really can't see the slides anymore. And by doing that, this particular one had the problem where the arms that extend, they fall down into it. So this helped remedy that as well, because it gives a support so they don't fall in on themselves.
Awesome. So this still folds out into bed, or pulls out. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
What do you have going on in the bathroom in here?
The bathroom, I just have the pan sitting in there for visualizations. I kind of stopped on the bathroom today and moved on to the bedroom.
The bathroom's so huge. Oh wow, you've done a whole lot of cleaning up in here for sure.
What you think?
Very cool, babe.
Thanks. Well, y'all, the sun is gone. It's fixing to get dark quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack up. I did manage to temporarily get these panels up. I'm actually gonna be removing them again to pack the walls with insulation, as well as run the plumbing, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough of this beadboard to cover all the surfaces that I needed to cover. I managed to get the whole bedroom done with the exception of that little bottom corner. I also did some work here on this couch. So it still slides out, so the white box will slide over the wooden frame. So once it's extended, you'll be able to see a little bit of wood in there. But when it's closed and in couch position, it blends in nicely with the rest of the bus. Y'all come back tomorrow. It'll look different, I promise. Hello.
Hey, what you doing back here?
Building an adorable little shelving unit. What do you think?
Very cool.
I think so.
This was necessary to hide a
The ugly
component, right? I think this is the perfect way to do it. It's gonna be cute, babe.
It'll work as a nightstand too. You can sit your stuff over here, your glass of water, or whatever your thing is.
You're cute.
All right, that sun's gone. That means I got about 20 minutes before it's dark. I wrestled with MDF pretty much all day today. I finished out this little, or cutting the pieces for this little shelving unit. They're not fully attached yet. I need to get a few more screws. And I also am going to be doing all of the tops in pallet wood. So I had to cut all that out as well. Tomorrow, we're going to get some more done. Good morning, Love Hut, and good morning, Big Bus. I'm excited. The owner of the bus is coming to check it out today. In this particular situation, I'm over 4 hours away from them, so it's quite a challenge sometimes doing things remotely, but we're making it happen. Today I'm going to be evaluating where my DC and AC wire runs and drops need to happen. There's going to be a little bit of creativity to get things where I need it to go. I have a couple of options. I have these wire troughs up top. I also have a void that runs down the body of the bus. You can see here for me to run some wires down as well. The plumbing is running along the bottom here, as you see. Once I get all this mapped out, then I can start with the construction of this back room, because all the plumbing and electrical all kind of come together in one spot. Got to think ahead to move forward, you know? Hello!
Good morning. How's it going in here?
Awesome. I'm starting to get all of my runs cut out for all the electrical. It's time to start tying everything together back there in the back, you know?
What do you think, Dixie? She had to come in and do her morning inspection and see what's new.
She didn't even grump at me. I must be doing good.
I can't go back to Texas.
Guys, we'll get back to the bus tomorrow, but for tonight, I've been marinating these pork chops all day long.
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Found myself in a fight.
Hey, lady! I'm sealing up these windows and window deletes. We have some rain coming in the next few days, and we've been fortunate not had a lot here, but I'm getting some leaks around these screws, so I'm going back and backing out all of them and sealing them up, as well as around the edge of the deletes and even the edge of the windows. This type of window, they remove from the inside, and generally you pull them out and you repack them. I'm not sure what's been done to them, but I'm going to seal them from the outside just to prevent any potential leaks coming through.
Awesome. You got some stuff to do up on the roof too.
I think so. I think I'm going to put the solar panels up there today. You want to help? I might need your help.
Okay.
I can't go back to Texas.
Well, good morning, y'all. I got in here and started working this morning without showing you what I was doing. I have been working on the electrical system, so there's a lot of lights just here in this area. I'm going to be running 3 across the kitchen counter here and 1 on each side of this rooftop air conditioner, which means I have to tie them all into one switch. I've also been working on getting my shower put in, so I had to cut a hole in here. I do believe I set my drill on fire this morning, though. It was smoking quite bad. I've drilled a lot of holes in buses with this thing. Maybe I can get a few more out of it before it finally catches on fire.
You best get to living, boy. If you ain't done time all the years. In a 45, player can't go back to Texas. Wanna dead, dead or alive. I can't go back to Texas. For the years in a 45, player can't go back there. Oh, dear.
Hey, hey.
Hello! I snuck in behind you. So you caught me in the middle of working on plumbing. I was drilling a hole for the shower, but I've got to go get spray foam because my spray foam gun is missing. I don't know where it's at. How do you lose something when you travel in something so small as the Love Hut? Anyways, I've moved on to other things, drilling more holes, hoping my drill doesn't continue burning.
I can't go back.
Y'all check it out. I'm starting to wire in my puck lights. These particular ones are pretty cool. They have an axis on them so they can rotate, which is not a normal thing. It makes them a bit of a weird size. They're 74mm cutout, so all I can find locally is a 3-inch, and that's as close as I can get. But what I'm doing is I'm wiring this light, a second light, as well as a little vanity that I'm gonna build all to a switch. So I basically ran 2 wires up through the wall, and then I'm gonna have a main line coming down And this switch will control the positive going into these lights. So when you flip the switch, they all come on.
Guys, the sun is going down out there. And I am about ready to reclaim Shane. What do you think, Dixie? Is it time for Dad to come home? Let's go get him. We got a whole lot of work done in here today. She's got the bathroom. And this little area that will be the entertainment area. What do you got going on in here?
Hanging lights. That's what I've been spending my afternoon doing. But I'm grouping different rooms on different switches, so there's a bit of tricky electrical work happening. And I'm done. I'm done for the day. Brought in the inspector. Hello, Dixie.
How's it going in here this morning?
Good. I've been testing lights. I've got a couple more sets to install, and then we should have all the lights in the bus.
Very cool.
I think it's gonna rain today, though. I don't know how that affects me wiring lights, but it's probably going to affect me.
Sounds like Shane wants a day off, guys. Well, guys, it looks like that sun might be trying to peek out. We, however, are not ready to get out of bed. It's been raining for well over 24 hours, but
we're sick. That's kind of it's a very unusual thing. Since we've been on the road, we tend to stay away from human populations, which has netted us the outcome of not really being sick. So we have caught some sort of little virus, and I'm tired. I'm not going to be able to bus today. Sorry, Kels.
I don't blame you. I'm not feeling great either. I think we'll probably get over it pretty quick, though.
Of course. Strong like bull.
Guys, you know, we're still not to 100% feeling better, but this guy has gotten back to work and has gotten a whole lot done that we can't wait to show you next week. We want to take the time to say thank you to each and every one of you who have followed us along this far. If you haven't already done so, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And guys, comment below so that we know who it is who's supporting us out there.
If you're looking for a different point of view into our life, check out some of our other social media like Facebook and Instagram. Those are also fantastic ways to actually get a hold of us. Or you can send us an email at lovehutforlife@gmail.com.
Peace out, guys. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.
Can't go back to Texas.